Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a garden project. We are taking down our old wooden shed and putting a new shed in its place. The old shed we've had for about 15 years. It's lasted us well, but the floor has started rotting away, so we decided to get a new one. At the moment, our local tidy tip is closed due to the UK being in lockdown. Once it reopens, I'll be able to get rid of all the old wooden shed. So for now, I will break it up into smaller bits and stack it up so it will all be ready to go. I was at work on this day when the new shed arrived, and when I got home, my other half and son had put the new one together for me and filmed it all as well. We went with our 8x6 Keter Apex Manor shed in the colour grey and white. It's much bigger than our old shed. I love the colour and the space we have now in it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below. If you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to subscribe and make sure you have that notification bell on and set it all so you know when I next upload a new video. I'll see you all soon. Bye.